Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be adding, I made this slime with glue, shaving gel, and activator, and it's at this stage. But I left at this stage because I wanted to mix it with this Play-Doh slime I made. If you haven't saw on the YouTube short where I made my Play-Doh slime, go check that out and come back here. But basically we're going to be mixing them. So I'm literally just going to get into it. This is really pretty. It was purple Play-Doh, so it was like light purple. So I made that Play-Doh slime with mixing a slime I already made. And then I mixed it with the Play-Doh, and it was really sticky, so go wash that out. But it turned out good, and then I just wanted to add more slime to it, and yeah, to make it bigger. But this is such a pretty color. There's like strands of white and purple, but I think it's all just gonna get mixed up into purple. But it's such a pretty purple, so nice and light. It looks more pink on camera, I feel. No. I don't know. I always say that it looks whiter or something like that. But then I rewatched the YouTube short. I'm like, wait, no, it does not. It looks like the same. But yeah. Anyways, this is the final thing. Oh my gosh, wait, it's actually so good. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of glue though. Okay, I've added a lot of glue, but still when you go like that, it does not really stretch. But if you do it nice and slowly, like that, it's pretty good. So overall, I think this is probably a 7 out of 10, or like 8 out of 10. But thanks for watching, bye guys.